Having trouble with the Bluetooth on your Xiaomi device? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through some easy solutions to get it working again. Let's jump right into it. Solution 1. Check for hardware issues. First, open the Settings app. After that, tap on About Phone. Next, select Detailed Info and Specs. Then, scroll down and find the kernel version. Quickly tap on it multiple times until you enter the CIT or Hardware Test mode. After that, scroll down and tap on Bluetooth Scan. See if it works properly. Solution 2. Turn off developer options. Open the Settings app again. Then scroll down and find Additional Settings. Next, scroll down a little and tap on Developer Options. Now toggle it off. After that, reboot your phone. Check if that solved the problem. Solution 3. Turn on and off airplane mode. Swipe down from the right side of the screen. Turn on airplane mode from the quick settings. Then, turn it off after 30 seconds. Now check if that fixed the issue. Solution 4. Reset Bluetooth settings. Open the Settings app on your Xiaomi device. Then tap on Connection and Sharing. After that, scroll down a little and tap on Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile Networks and Bluetooth. Tap the Reset Settings button at the bottom of the screen. If you have a lock on, enter your PIN or pattern. Then hit Next if prompted. After that, tap the OK button. Your Bluetooth settings will be reset. Now the issue should be resolved. That's how you fix the Bluetooth not working issue on your Xiaomi phone. If this video helped, smash that like button. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.